Supriya ma'am.
Major N. Supriya, Associate NCC Officer from Vanti Girls Battalion NCC. She joined in Vanita Mahavidyalaya in 2000. She was first commissioned in 2003, became captain in 2011 and major in 2019. She represented Republic Day Parade in 2008 to 9 where Andhra Pradesh Directorate secured Prime Minister banner. She is also recipient of Mother Teresa Award and Swami Vivekananda Award in 2021. Thank you.
Mrs. A. Swarupa Garu to come on to the dais.
Regional Secretary, South Central Railway, Mazdoor Union, Sikandrabad.
Mrs. Aisha Begum to come on to the dais.
Sir.
School managed by IIMAH Ahmedabad Alumnius. Low-cost school exclusively run for underprivileged students in urban slum located at Rasulpura, Sikandrabad for past 20 years. She also worked as a part-time ELA e-tutor for past 13 years. Thank you, ma'am.
Mrs. Yasmin Begum to come on to the dais.
For the last 30 years. She has immense experience of teaching kids from primary through high school. In her 30 years of experience, she has taken up multiple roles, that of HOD and of principal. What keeps her going after so many years of being a teacher is to see the children grow and accomplish their goals. Thank you, ma'am.
Mrs. K. Shravani to come on to the dais.
Simplicity and hard work. She is a good motivator and support for the student in all aspects. Received many appreciation awards from the management of Krishnavani Talent School and got 10 by 10 GPA in mathematics and science for last 2-3 batches of 10th standard.
Mrs. Pothireddy Sumati Garu to come on to the dais. Mrs. Vanadi Ramya Garu to come on to the dais. No, next one.
Varnadi Ramya. She worked as State Executive Member in BC Chaitanya Vedika, State Vice President in Praja Chaitanya Vedika, as City General Secretary in Kurma Sangam. She is an active member in All India Human Rights. She was awarded with State Kurma Sangam Women Active Person, Jyoti Rao and Savitri Rao Pule Award. Thank you.
Mrs. Asha Srilata Garu to come on to the dais.
Madam.
Jayanti works as a headmistress of Udbhav RBL School, located at Fatah Nagar. She has been working there since 2007. She started her career as a teacher in the year 1991 in UMTS English Medium School, located in rural area of Madanapalle, Chittoor district of Andhra Pradesh.
Mrs. Firoza Khan Garu to come on to the dais.
Firoza Khan is a well-known name in the field of social service in central India from decades. Born on 26th January 1963 in Balaghat district in Madhya Pradesh. She was an active participant in co-curricular activities since her school time. She was the first female cadet from NCC to be chosen to represent her state in the National Republic Day Parade. Awarded by Governor of MP in the year 2008 for her contribution in social service. Awarded by Chief Minister of MP in the year 2012 for her contribution in military upliftment.
Mrs. Adilakshmi Garu to come on to the dais.
She is MA, B.Ed, teach high school students. Her academic qualification, Master's degree MA in Hindi from Hyderabad Central University, completed Bachelor of Education B.Ed from Adilabad University. Worked as an assistant translator in NLP project.
Mrs. A. Padma Garu to come on to the dais.
Pandit at ZPHS Patipada Warangal Rural District. She has 18 years of teaching and community service experience. Padma donates books and dictionaries to the students every year and makes them culturally very strong. She takes up a good number of programs on sapling plantation and Swachh Bharat. Thank you, ma'am.
Mrs. Nazir Unisha Begum Garu to come on to the dais.
Teacher since 18 years, BSc, B.Ed, teaches high school students. Providing real world projects that give students problems to solve, students to learn from failures, step up and again to eventually find success. Asking open-minded questions, self-reflection, very dedicated to the service. Teaching is not just a profession, it's her passion.
Mrs. K. Padmarajan Garu to come on to the dais.
As school assistant in English at ZPHS Girls Hasanparti Warangal Urban District. Having 30 years of teaching and student service experience, she helps students by providing books, paying their fees and providing lunches.
Mrs. Anuprasad Garu to come on to the dais.
Madam.
Anuprasad Garu is a health and fitness motivator. Mrs. B. Sammaka Garu to come on to the dais.
Panut Sammaka is working as a librarian at the district libraries department, Jayashankar Baupalli district. She has built a model concept. Readers are at your doorstep, providing books of various competitive exams to the students at their colleges and schools. Thank you, ma'am.
Mrs. P. Arpita Garu to come on to the dais.
Mrs. Porika Arpita, Junior Assistant, is working as Junior Assistant in ZBHS Narayanga Giri.
Mrs. Varsha Singh to come on to the dais.
Varsha Singh, having worked with underprivileged children and children with special needs, she have always worked for the betterment of children who should stand on their feet and become a contributor for society. Her interaction with children and their parents to understand their learning needs has indeed helped her in phase and a diploma in special education, and have put 23 years of service in the field of education as a teacher.
Mrs. Shamim Garu to come on to the dais.
Experience who loves working with children and contributing to their development. Recognized for enhancing the learning process and enabling pupils to get most out of their school time by making lessons enjoyable. Capable of building a rapport with students and getting to know them on an individual basis in order to tailor their learning experience.
SS Srilata Reddy Garu to come on to the dais. Dr. B. Sridivya Garu to come on to the dais.
Madam.
Lions Club. Mrs. M. Bhanumati Garu to please come on to the dais.
Sir.
M. Bhanumati.
Mrs. G. Shaktikala Garu to please come on to the dais. Mrs. G. Shashikala Garu to please come on to the dais.
Dr. Shantabai to please come onto the dais.
Completed her education qualification as MA Mass Communication UGC NET PhD. Her current position Vice Principal University College Telangana University Nizamabad. She is a mentor till now 12 batches students of mass communication. Some of them are pursuing their PhDs. Coordinator. Mr. M. Isaac Raj.
एनसीसी क्लास शुरू कर।
Soumya.
महिला शिरोमणी अवार्ड्स अकलैతే
Senior Under Officer Nagasha Fatima.
मैडम
एनसीसी क्लास शुरू कर।
Battula Hemant Garu to please come on
ఇక్కడ
the dais.
ఇక్కడ చూడాలి ఎస్
C. Rajendra Garu to come on to the dais.
సార్ ఓకే
Junior Under Officer Veena.
NCC clap शुरू कर
Veena.
మేడం మేడం మేడం
Junior Under Officer VNL Samira. Junior Under Officer Sarita. NS Kiran Kumar Garu, President Secunderabad TCC.
Or felicitate our Raj Narayan sir. Yeah. Loads of applause. I think all can put together your hands.
సార్ సార్ సార్
NCC clap शुरू कर
నిల్చోండి పక్కన నిల్చోండి